everybody, this is our chair, back another day with another unboxing. In my latest unboxing video I showed you something very briefly and I told you I was going to do a separate video about that. I have a problem here that you maybe can see. I bought this very beautiful red suede steering wheel less than a year ago, and now it's not red anymore. It's because the sun is shining on the car all day. I've tried to park the car with the front in, the rear in, etc, etc, and I've tried the large sunscreen protectors that you have in the front window, but it doesn't help. The sun moves around and the sun shines from every angle. So what I usually just do, take a fiber towel, put it on the steering wheel, and yeah, I guess that have worked, but not perfectly. So when you have a need for something, you look and see if you can find a product that suits you. And I think I have found that product. This is a sun protector. I don't know what to call it, but I call it a sun protector for just the steering wheel. So let's open it up and see how it works. It feels maybe a bit small, but for my steering wheel it's just fine. So I just hang it over like that, and that's it. No more fading of the color of the steering wheel. Now it's already faded. It's as pale as it can get. So you Swedish viewers, if you have anyone to recommend to color my steering wheel red again, let me know. I'm thinking of Color Glow, but I don't know. It's really white. The sun is shining way too much, so I don't think you can see it. But the steering wheel is absolutely not red anymore, at least. So yeah, if you have a suede steering wheel, buy one of these. I can link you in the description. It wasn't so expensive. The shipping were more expensive than the product. So if you don't want to have a hot steering wheel, you don't want the sun to fade your steering wheel, even if it's leather and not suede or Alcantara, buy one of these. I'm happy with it. So far so good. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any question about this product. Just wanted to show you that I have the larger screen protector as well to try to protect the interior, but as you see, the sun is still shining on my seat. And the big ones are quite a hassle to put on and off every time. And for me, it doesn't help too much. It helps to block out the sun of one seat. So yeah, the steering wheel thing, good idea. Now I just want the steering wheel to be red again.